Welcome to the Eficode DevOps and software development themes in 2019. As you probably already know, we're 250 people in 7 sites, 5 countries. So we're growing pretty fast, and that has to do with DevOps. I'm gonna walk you through very quickly on the themes we've seen that's happening during the next 2 years, and also some ideas behind the DevOps evolution or transformation. First and foremost, we see that even in the biggest organizations, zero-day delivery or continuous deployment, whatever you want to call it, is one of the biggest themes. It's not necessarily that you want to go to zero-day delivery, it's enabling it that will change the culture. As you've already seen in the reports like the Puppet Lab State of DevOps, you've already seen that having automated infrastructure, test automation, the pipelines in place, that's very important to enable the culture behind it. We're calling it zero-day delivery because I believe that any new venture starting within an organization or startup or just between friends should be in production the first 15 minutes you start doing it, like actually doing it, designing, not developing. The second one is that we see that DevOps and design systems are coming together. Design systems, the voice of the organization and the styles of the organizations, can really easily also contain all the DevOps practices and tools, like unit testing the components that are in design system, test automation templates for testing the designs you have already created, and of course, most importantly, automating the whole infrastructure behind when you go to production. You've probably already started collecting metrics of your development and production environments. But we see that it will become the core for the C-suite or the management decision making. How do you collect real-time data of your development practices? What's happening when you make releases to the production? Are you gaining more retention, more revenue, or less? And why? Can you see it immediately, or do you have to wait for the end-of-month reports? The metrics as part of the DevOps practices and pipelines are the core, and they will be even more important within the 2 next years. And last but not least, one of the most important concepts is self-services. You've already tried cloud. You know that some of your services, or even all of your services, are running in cloud. Are your developers, the teams, your team, able to deliver to the cloud by themselves? Have you enabled self-service with rigid enough security practices in place? Do you know that when your team delivers something to the production, what has happened? Can you roll back? Maybe not. But it's still something that you really need to aim at, to be able to get your teams working at full pace and getting your organization follow the better DevOps practices. If you're interested to hear more, please contact us. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed.